everybody, I'm Dr. Laina.
I'm Dr. Jamie.
And today we're going to review a rocking technique with you. This is an amazing mobilization and spinal reset to get all your spinal curves back working the way they were designed to allow your adjustments to hold better and release a lot of the tensions in your body. So I'll have Dr. Jamie get into position. All that we're going to do is have you get on obviously on all fours. If you find that you have very tender knees, you can grab one of these pads, which I will link below, or you can roll up a towel and put it under your knees. You can roll up your yoga mat so it's tripled or doubled and put that under your knees, whatever you need to make yourself most comfortable. Dr. Jamie's knees are right under his hips. His hands are right under his elbows. If you find this very hard on your wrists, as some of our patients have told you to put their hands on the ground, especially if you work at a computer all day, you're certainly welcome and you'll still get all the benefits of the stretch if you do this with your hands further forward so there's less pressure on your wrists. So you can see that the tops of Dr. Jamie's feet are on the ground, and the most important thing is you can see where his head is. So he's looking forward almost as if he's looking slightly above the horizon, because that helps these spinal curves stay in proper alignment. If his head drops during this exercise and he looks at the ground, you can see that it creates some rounding in his back, and we lose a lot of the benefits of this exercise. So instead, we'll have you look forward. If you'd like to look a little bit higher, that's okay. Just make sure you're not kinking up your neck or your upper back in the process. And then from this point, all that he's going to do is gently start to rock his body back and forth. So all he's doing is he's shifting his weight back and forth. You can see he's not doing a push-up with his arm. He's not putting too much pressure into his hands. Just very gentle rocking. You can see how his pelvis is rocking back and forth as it's resetting all of these spinal curves. So this is also going to work out and help you identify any tension or kinks that you have in your wrists, in your shoulders, in your hips, in your knees, and it's going to allow your body to start to work together as a unit, especially important if you find that you sit all day long. This exercise is something that we recommend all of our patients do. In a perfect world, you'll do it for about a minute in the morning and a minute at night. It's a perfect exercise for those of you who wake up in the morning and you just feel too tight. You want to start your stretches or your exercises, but you're just feeling all kinked up. You'll notice when you do this type of exercise, within about 10 seconds of going back and forth, your body starts to loosen itself up and start to work together the way it was designed to. While you're in this position, there's a lot of other benefits that you can get. So one of them is that you can also try this exercise with your toes tucked under. So if you do this with your toes tucked under, you'll notice you get an amazing stretch in the bottom of your feet and a little bit in your calves, an area that's very powerful to helping your spine stay healthy and an area that's often overlooked. Another way that you can really get a lot of benefits when you're in this position is just simply to look over your shoulders. So you can see that all Dr. Jamie's doing is trying to look at his right foot and then trying to look at his left foot. This is an amazing neck stretch that allows him to stretch down the side of his body. And if you have great neck mobility and you feel really comfortable, you can also look up to the corner of the room and then up to that corner of the room. And you'll really notice a really big stretch in your neck as you do that. One other way that you can get a great benefit stretch from this is that when you're rocking back and forth, you're going to go on an angle. So he's taking his right buttocks to his left foot and his left buttocks to his right foot. It's a very subtle change in the way that you're rocking. It doesn't look like that big of a change, but you'll really feel a difference as you feel the nice stretch and pull down the sides of your body. So if you have any questions at all about this or anything else, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, we'd really appreciate it if you click like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.